Hello Veer Modi, hello Sridhar, hello the bizarre Indian housewife. Hope you all are doing absolutely fine. We are waiting for our today's speaker. As soon as he joins in, we'll start with the series of Express Your Experience. Hello Mohan. Hello, it's me Naresh. Hope you're doing fine. We are waiting for our today's speaker. Who will be joining us within few seconds now. He's just joining in now. Hello Dheeraj.
Yeah, hi, Manisha. Am I audible? Am I visible?
I think you have to turn your camera because up.
Is it?
Yeah, this is fine. Yeah,
This is
this is
better?
fine. Yeah, this is
Great.
fine. How are you doing?
All well, Manisha. How are you doing?
Absolutely fine. All the viewers are waiting. I just now told them that we are waiting for a speaker to come in who's going to
Great,
share a
great.
lot of experiences with us.
All
So, to
right,
everyone
great.
who's listening to us and to everyone who is going to listen to us via YouTube and on our Instagram channel, we want to tell you that Dheeraj Datta is a youth success and happiness coach. He's done a fantastic job as far as keeping people, showing them the tricks and tools of being happy forever in life. On the other side, we can also proudly say that Dheeraj Datta has been given an opportunity to talk in Josh Talks. So, yes, he has a lot of experiences that he's going to share with us. But coming to the one single profound experience that you can share with us is how, when you say that जोश टॉक्स हुआ है, आप सक्सेस कोच बने हो, उसके पहले की जो जर्नी हो, ये सारे जर्नी में एक ऐसी चीज होगी जिसमें आपने जरूर कुछ तो एक इंस्पिरेशनल चीज, चाहे वो फेलियर हो सक्सेस हो, उसमें कुछ तो आपने सीखा होगा जो आज हम व्यूवर्स सुनना चाहेंगे. सो कमिंग टू द क्वेश्चन एज टू व्हाई डू यू फील failures and challenging situations are important in life. आपको क्यों लगता है? Over to you, Dheeraj.
Great. Thank you, Manisha, and thanks for the wonderful remarks. I hope I am audible and visible to everyone.
Yeah, perfect.
Great, great. Yeah, hi everyone. I'm really sorry that I got late by a few seconds. It's just the technology, these days. And thank you very much, Manisha, for giving me the opportunity to come to your Dream Hunt India platform. And coming back to the topic, why failures or challenging situations are important in life. So I truly believe that, Manisha, since our school days, we have been taught, we have been pressurized to come number one, either in competitive exams or either your schools or college examinations.
Right.
But we have never been trained on what to do next if things didn't go the way we planned. What if something unexpected happened? What if all your plans from A to Z failed?
Nobody teaches us.
Yeah, so
True.
I truly believe that life is a combination of both good and challenging times. And this is what makes the circle of our life completes. We can't escape from the challenging times, because if you follow any guru, if you look at the history of Bhagwan Rama, Krishna, Guru Gobind Singh Ji, Christianity, they are supreme souls. Even they have faced challenges in their life.
That's true.
And we are normal human beings. So, but what it is in our hand is how to react to the situation, whether you stay positive or whether you stay negative, whether you step forward or whether you step backward, whether you bhag lo or bhag lo, either participate or either quit. You always
Very
have two
well said.
options. You always have two options. The one lesson that I have learned is, if I share my brief journey that has changed my life forever, there was a time, in my life when I was broke, I was aimless, I didn't know what to do next. So someone told me, Dheeraj, there was a call center interview going on at one of the area in Chandigarh, the place where I live. And that interview was very important for me because I knew that once I got this job, I can support myself financially and I can prove to others that I can do something in life. And when I went for that interview, I had this feeling that it's going to be one-to-one interview, and I crammed up all the answers that they're going to ask me. Okay, tell us about you, Dheeraj. Tell us about yourself. What do you know about the organization? What are your future plans? Because my English wasn't good at that point of time. Speaking English, so I crammed up all these basic answers. जैसे वो पेपरों में होता है ना, पता है ये क्वेश्चंस आने ही हैं तो हम उसको रट्टा लगा लेते हैं. So I did the
Very
same
easy.
thing. I did the same thing. And जब मैं इंटरव्यू में गया, there were around 70 candidates sitting in that room. And after a few minutes, an interviewer came and he said, you have to come one by one in the front and speak about yourself for about 2 to 3 minutes. And when he said that, many candidates left the room and I was one of them.
Oh, nice. That's nice. That's nice. Because a lot of people escape from it. They think of escaping because ये जो crowd होता है ना, इतने लोगों को इसके सामने बात करने में मुश्किल होता है उनके लिए.
Yes. And I hope everyone, all my audience, all my viewers, they can relate to this situation. I'm sure you all must have faced similar situation in your life, at some point. If you agree, please write yes.
Absolutely. A lot of people face this.
Great. And then when I was sitting in the cafeteria for waiting for my friend's interview to finish, a thought came. धीरज, आपने तो सीधा ही हार मान ली. You didn't even participate. At least I should go inside, try. If it didn't work, that's all right. But at least I should try. I shouldn't quit right away. And when this thought came, I entered the room. And when they called my name, I stood, came in the front to introduce myself. Any guesses what happened next?
You might have again fumbled or something.
To my audience, any guesses what happened next? If you're watching this, whether I did well, whether I, fall flat. Any answers? So
Audience is keen to know your answer.
Okay. So I didn't utter a single word. I got blank.
That
I
happens.
even forgot my name.
Happens.
Can you tell the reason why?
Might be you might have ratified something that, कुछ रटाफाई आपने किया होगा उस वक्त आपने, बिकॉज मेरा एक्सपीरियंस ऐसा है कि मैं जब रटाफाई करके जाती थी एग्जाम्स में के वक्त, मैं भूल जाती थी एग्जाम हॉल के अंदर जाते ही. आई यूज्ड टू forget everything.
Okay. So for me, it was fear of public speaking. You're right, Digital Singh Anita. Anita, you are right. The fear of public speaking. And when anyways, at that moment, everyone started laughing, as they were telling me, you are not meant for this. You cannot do this. You do not belong to this place.
Happens.
And anyways, to prove them wrong, I somehow managed to speak and clear the first round. And when I reached home that day, my parents gave me a pat on the back, not because I had cleared the interview round, but because at least I tried to give my best shot. I didn't quit right away like other candidates. Because whenever we face any challenging situation in our life, we always have two options in front of us. Either you participate, either you quit. Bhag lo ya bhag lo. If you quit, you are a failure right away. You do not need someone else's opinion or judgment, as you are a failure. But if you participate, if you stay positive, if you stay calm and focus, if you have faith and belief in your abilities, there could be a good possibility that you might win. If you win, you should celebrate that moment. But even if you lose, you will learn. There is a win-win situation in both. And when I reached home that day, any guesses what is the percentage of people who experience some degree of anxiety, fear of public speaking?
Nearly 80-90%.
To all my viewers, any guesses what is the percentage of people who experience some degree of anxiety, nervousness? I can see a few names: Anita, Shridhar, Sandy, Vishant, Pawan. Any guesses, friends?
Let's make it interactive, guys. You can share your views into the comment section so that it's more interesting to interact with Dheeraj today.
I know we have fear of public speaking. Now we have fear of internet speaking as well.
Talking in front of the camera.
Yeah, guys. Great, Anita. Great, Anita. 70%. Anyone else? Vishant ji, Sandy, Shridhar ji. I can see a few names here. So Anita, you are almost close. So if you search the term, glossophobia, which means fear of public speaking, it is 75%. And I was shocked to know this. People would rather die than to speak in public.
Such a fear.
So that incident has changed my life. However, it is because of, and when I came to know, so that's the message that I want to give everyone, that it is very important to work on your, area of improvements. You should know about your strengths as well as your area of improvement. And this is what I did. When I came to know, I accepted the fact that I had fear of public speaking, and I need to improve it. Since that day onwards, I never missed any opportunity in my life to speak, to make mistake, to learn, to grow, and to overcome the fear of public speaking. And I'm still learning in this journey. With consistency and sincere efforts each day, I'm able to convert one of my fearful area of improvement, which was fear of public speaking back then, into one of my biggest strengths today. And I truly believe that if I can do it, anyone can do it, whatever that area of improvement exists in your life. It's self-discipline and perseverance is the key. Consistency, trying. You might be feeling so many failures, but keep going until you win. Winston Churchill has once said, success is going from failure to failure without losing your enthusiasm. Michael Jordan, one of the greatest basketball player, has once said, I have missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I have failed almost 300 times. 26 times I have been trusted to take the game-winning shot and I missed. I have failed over and over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed. So embrace your failures in life, embrace your challenging situations in life, because they came into your life to make you a better person, to make the better version of you, to make you an awesome human being. It's totally up to us when challenging situation comes, whether we turn that crisis into opportunity or whether we can go down to one of the room and sit down and start feeling cribbing about that situation. It's totally in our hand, how we react to that particular challenging situation. I reacted positively, and that's the reason, I have achieved so many things in my life. And it is only because of public speaking. And I truly believe that communication is one thing that is needed in today's present challenging time. If you can communicate well, you can inspire millions. And this is what we
Very
both are
true.
doing and others are doing.
Right.
As Dattaji is asking, sir, what is the secret of your glow and good looks? Mr. Dattaji, I am also Datta. My last name is also Datta. So I totally believe that, positivity, you should feel good from inside, the outer look is just a short term. How good you are as a person from inside, this is what matters in the long run. So do good for others, stay positive, follow good things in your life, follow your passion. All these things make you glow and give you a good looks. And the best thing is you should be a better human being. If right now I'm talking arrogant, in an arrogance manner or with some attitude, no one will like me, even if my looks are good. But if I'm treating you all well, if I'm serving others, if we are serving the nation, serving the world, everyone will like us. So you should be a better human being first from inside. This is what matters. As we say, real happiness lies within. So everything starts from within.
Right, very true. Digital Singh Anita says one more question. If
Yeah.
you could answer that, Dheeraj, that is,
Yeah, I'm coming to
most
that.
of the people want to start something. How to provide that kick to take that initiative? कैसे वो चालू कर सकते हैं?
So I truly believe that, Anita ji, at that moment when I reached home, when I didn't do well in my interview, so I started focusing on my strengths. What strengths I have, what I love doing, what I'm good at. I started jotting down things. And then I started working on it. मैंने अपनी strengths की list बनाई, that I am positive, I have to give my best. मुझे लोगों से बात करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. और मैंने अपनी weaknesses की भी उस समय लिस्ट बनाई. और एक लिस्ट वो भी बनाई जो लोग मेरे बारे में क्या सोचते हैं. I mean the positive things, like मेरे जो close proximity में वो लोग हैं जिनको मैं trust करता हूं, वो मेरे बारे में क्या अच्छी बातें बताते हैं. तो मैंने एक अपनी positive की लिस्ट बनाई और एक negatives की. और उसके बाद मैंने उन दोनों लिस्ट पे काम करना शुरू किया. Because first thing is to accept yourself as a person and then start working on it. Most of the times ऐसे होता है, मेरे फ्रेंड सर्कल में काफी ऐसे सर्कल में लोग हैं जो अपनी वीकनेसेस को एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करना चाहते. हम तो ठीक है, हम तो नंबर 1 है, हमें किसी चीज की जरूरत नहीं. दिस काइंड ऑफ एटीट्यूड विल नॉट टेक अस एनीवेयर. So start working on your strengths, start working on your areas of improvement, write down your achievements and feel good about it. मैंने आज तक जितना भी अचीव किया है, मैंने उसका एक जर्नल बनाया हुआ है, एक डायरी बनाई हुई है, जिसमें जब भी कोई चैलेंजिंग सिचुएशन आती है ना, मैं उस डायरी को देखता हूँ. धीरज, तुम्हें ये सिचुएशन आई, तुमने इसको भी ओवरकम कर लिया. धीरज, तुम्हें ये सिचुएशन आई, तुमने इसको भी ओवरकम कर लिया. तो दैट गिव्स मी ए पुश, that gives me a kick, that if I handled that particular situation at that moment with so much focus, with so much confidence, I can do it now too. बट हम अपनी लाइफ में इतना बिजी हैं कि वो जर्नल्स बनाने का टाइम ही नहीं है. एंड ऑलवेज मेक जर्नल विद अ स्मॉल डायरी, like this, that you can carry everywhere, not on your mobile phones, not on any gadgets, because बैटरी कभी भी जा सकती है आपकी, कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है. बट अगर आपके पास ये डायरी रहेगी, आपका जर्नल रहेगा, this will be your most valuable possession, that you can carry it anywhere. I always keep this diary, my journal, with me. It has all my strengths, all my areas of improvement, all my goals for the future, all the things that I'm thankful for in my life. तो कभी भी मैं कहीं भी जाता हूं तो ये डायरी मेरे साथ हमेशा साथ होती है. अगर सिग्नल में गाड़ी मेरी 10 मिनट रुक गई है, 15 मिनट रुक गई है, सो ऑलवेज गो बैक टू माई जर्नल. मैं कभी भी इम्पेशेंट नहीं होता. कहीं पे ग्रोसरी स्टोर में जा रहा हूँ, बहुत बड़ी लाइन लगी है, मैं ये अपना जर्नल अपने साथ रखता हूँ, उसको देखता रहता हूँ. दैट कीप्स मी अलाइन्ड, दैट कीप्स मी फोकस.
Wonderful.
So this is, I think, the best advice that I can give to everyone. I hope that answers your question, Anita ji.
Absolutely, absolutely. It's wonderful, and I'm sure that she's going to take a lot of things and a lot of viewers also जो आज हमें सुन रहे हैं और कल जाके YouTube पे भी जो सुनेंगे. आपका जो कन्विक्शन है, आपका जो एंथुजियाज्म है धीरज, वो दिख के आता है, वो समझ में आता है कि हर एक इंसान की लाइफ में, चाहे वो कॉर्पोरेट का हो या एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का हो, every person goes through some or the other thing in life, but how we respond, how we react, ये सारी चीजें बहुत ज्यादा मैटर करती है. तो जिसकी वजह से वी आर रियली वेरी हैप्पी टू इनवाइट यू टुडे एंड वन ऑफ द मोस्ट प्रोफाउंड एक्सपीरियंस दैट यू हैव शेयर्ड विद अस एंड ये जो इंटरव्यू वाला जो एक्सपीरियंस है बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ हुआ और ये मेरे साथ भी बहुत बार हुआ है सो आई कैन रियली कनेक्ट एंड आई एम श्योर कि जो लोग भी सुन रहे हैं ना भले कॉर्पोरेट्स हो या एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के हो कॉर्पोरेट्स हो गए तो उनको इंटरव्यू का एक्सपीरियंस है एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का हो तो उनको बाइंग एंड सेलिंग का एक्सपीरियंस है तो काफी ज्यादा इसका एक प्रोफाउंड इम्पैक्ट लोगों पे आने वाला है काफी लोग सीखने वाले हैं इसमें से मेन मतलब आपका जो कन्विक्शन है द वे यू से is very important. We fumble. We, in this live session also, 10 times I fumbled, you fumbled, but we didn't give up. We didn't stop at
Yes.
that moment. We were just like, oh, what's next? What's next? चलो और कुछ करते हैं.
We
और कुछ
learn
करेंगे.
each day. We learn
We learn
each day,
each day.
Manisha.
So ये
We can
open
never.
mindset होना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है.
Yes.
और वो आपसे आज सीखा है हमने कि ये open mindset जो आपका throughout था ना, and above all, this journal to maintain, which is very important. People think
Yes.
that journal maintain वही करते हैं जिनको checklist बनानी पड़ती है. कॉर्पोरेट्स है तो उनको उनके डेस्कटॉप पे बनानी पड़ती है एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के है तो उनके उनके ऑफिस के चार्ट्स पे लगाना पड़ता है ऐसा नहीं है जर्नल्स इज समथिंग व्हिच यू कैन कैरी इट वेयर एवर यू गो एंड आई थिंक इट
Yes.
इज अ वेरी गुड advice that you have given us as to maintaining a journal. So we're very glad. One more advice I would like to ask from you is that to all the people in one sentence, if related to life, you want to tell them something that people will remember you one more time in
So,
future.
so one sentence में I will say that be resilient, never give up. And I want to recite a poem, Manisha, if you have time, if you allow me. So I would like to hear from my viewers. If they say yes only, then I will recite this poem.
They will.
So guys, please say yes, and then I will recite this poem. I see, life coach Deepak ji has joined, Anita ji has joined, Sidhu ji is there. I can see Shridhar there. I can see Mr. Datta there. I can see Wale Punjir. So guys, if you want to hear the poem from my side, please say yes, and I will recite it for you. I'm sure you're definitely gonna like it. Thank you, Sidhu ji. Great.
That's great to hear, Sidhu. Thank you for replying.
Thank you, Anita ji. Thank you. Great. So here we go. लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है। मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना ना अखरता है। आखिर उसकी मेहनत कभी बेकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। असफलता एक चुनौती है, उसे स्वीकार करो। क्या कमी रह गई देखो और सुधार करो। जब तक ना सफल हो नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम, संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर मत भागो तुम। कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। Never give up, guys. That's my message for everyone. Thanks,
Dheeraj,
everyone.
this was wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much, Dheeraj. It was great having you today. And yes, please everyone follow Dheeraj on Instagram as well as YouTube channel also, and Facebook also. He's there, and he's a wonderful happiness coach, and he has proved this in today's live session as well. Thank you so much, Dheeraj. Once again, thank you.
Thanks, Manisha. Thanks to all my viewers. You can follow me on Dheeraj Datta. My Josh Talks is also there, so you can follow me there, Dheeraj Datta. Thank you, Manisha. Thanks for the opportunity. Good luck, guys. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.